Hey all, Brendan here, aka Cliff Jumper. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do what might be one of my shortest install videos ever. We are going to be swapping out the sprayers for the windshield wiper on our Gen 1 Toyota Sequoia with the same thing from a Forerunner, and you'll be amazed at how much better these stupid things are. This is going to take you seriously about 1 minute, so let me show you what I'm talking about. So why would I bother swapping out the little windshield washer nozzles on our Sequoia? Well, the stock ones down there have 3 nozzles, and when you do the when you wait for it to stop beeping at you, there we go. When you go ahead and activate your wipers and the spray, see it comes off in these like 3 jets, and you just sort of hit a few spots on the windshield. And it's not really that great. Wouldn't it be nice if the sprayer actually sprayed like a mist evenly across your windshield, and then you didn't just have 3 little spots where the stuff actually worked? So that's what these things are. This is where they're going to come in handy. Now when you pop your hood of your Sequoia, you're going to see that right up inside these holes here, this is where the washer fluid goes for the sprayers, one on each side. And all you're going to do is there's a little release. It's like a plastic clip. You're just going to squeeze them and it'll pop right out from the top side. Reach up inside, squeeze the 2 plastic clips. Oh, look at that. It's coming out, and sort of wiggle that sucker off. Here's what the new one looks like out of the bag, so you can see what the tabs look like that you're working with here. So you're really just squeezing in from front and back to release these little tabs. There's really not much to them. Now when you install the new ones here, they do come with a little rubber gasket. You do want to slide that on there, don't forget. It just makes sure that this thing is going to fit nice and snug and not rattle or do anything weird. So that just gasket slides right on, and this one's ready to install. Now you see the aperture on here, how it is, instead of 3 nozzles pointed in different direction, it's a fan shaped thing. So this should blast it really evenly across the windshield. So I did use a screwdriver, just stuck it up from underneath to release this, and here it is. See the difference between old and new. They're basically the same shape, same size. The only difference is this is the old one with the 3 sprayers that put streams, and this is the newer style that'll put a fan. So I'm gonna go ahead and poke it through and snap. That's it. On the bottom side, this hose just comes off, so I slid it off the old one and just slid it onto the new one. All done there. I'll go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, and then I will show you what the new pattern looks like. All right, here we are, the new sprayers. Let's see what they do. Turn this off, and then look at that. Nice spray. I like that. All right, cool. Mischief managed. And it is the rainy season, so having the ability to evenly disperse your washer spray so that you actually get more of your windshield clean, especially on those mornings when the sun actually pokes its head through the clouds and you get blinded by all the glare of the junk that's accumulated on your windshield. Anyway, simple, easy. I'll drop a link in the description. You can get them on Amazon. It's such an easy upgrade. If you have a Gen 1 Sequoia and you haven't done this yet, you owe it to yourself to do it. I hope this helped you out. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
And on that terrible disappointment, it's time to say goodbye. We'll be back.